So I did this song on my new album called The Good Life that just came out a couple weeks ago. I did this song, it's called Take Me There, featuring my man Jimmy. And what it does is it talks about the experiences of two people who are going through rough times, the songs that they sing to make it through those rough times. Is it okay if we slow it down just a little bit for a second? Is that alright? Alright, you ready, Jimmy? Alright, the song's called Take Me There.
Just wanna go where I'm only breathing your air. Yeah. Father, hear my prayer. Take me there, take me there. I just wanna see you brighter than I'm used to. Yeah. Finally see it clear. Take me there, take me there, take me there.
Story number one. Yeah. Now tell me, have you ever seen a brother so weighted? You can tell by his demeanor that he's really jaded, trying to get out this arena. He longs for something greater, but they say he's just a dreamer. But he has a treasure he holds like gold, cause he knows something that the boys don't know. And nothing seems funny when his money's so low. When he thinks about that place, man, he really wants to go. But he ain't all obsessed with the cash he can stack, cause he's looking to the heavens where his master is at. But he does have treasure, he's storing it up. Seems foreign to us, can't be stolen or rust. When the cares of this world start weighing on him hard, and he's tired of them bills he been paying on his car. Can't wait to be embraced by the Lord face to face. He waits for his reward and he sings,
I just wanna go where I'm only breathing your air. Father, hear my prayer. Take me there, take me there.
yeah, I wanna see him.
I just wanna see you brighter than I'm used to.
Yeah.
Finally see it clear. Take me there, take me there, take me there.
Story 2.
Yeah.
And tell me, have you ever seen her? She's sick with a disease and it's really trying to beat her. It's taking all the strength, she knows that it can't defeat her, cause she gon' be with Jesus. She's more than just a dreamer. Her peace and her joy, they really ain't gone. It's all because she knows earth really ain't home. So even when she's by herself, she's really not alone. Her Savior's there with her while she's singing this song. So sickness might get her and death might grab her, but she ain't scared of death, cause she trusted in the Master. Was buried but he rose up a few days after. So death may attack her, but death cannot have her. So she tells her family, don't worry anymore. When she's gone from the body, she'll be present with the Lord. Her body will be raised, so much glory is in store. He is her reward, so she sings,
I just wanna go
I wanna go.
only breathing your air. Father, hear my prayer. Take me there, take me there.
I wanna see him.
I just wanna see you brighter than I'm used to. Finally see it clear. Take me there.
Hey, I don't know about you.
Take me
Yeah, hey, I don't know about you, but I can't wait till the day when I be with my Lord and everything is okay. And I'll be just like him, so my sin ain't in the way. I be basking in his glory, that's where I wanna stay. A place where shadows give way to the real, and circumstances can't change the way that I feel. Got joy in my Savior that Satan can't steal, because he's been defeated. Yeah, you know the deal, the real good life. Hey, I can't wait, please take me soon. Until then, I'll be praising in the waiting room, fighting by his grace, can't wait to embrace the groom. Till then, I'm like,
I just wanna go where only breathing your air. Father, hear my prayer. Take me there, take me there.
I wanna see him.
I just wanna see you brighter than I'm used to.
Yeah.
I'm seeing clear. Take me there, take me there, take me there. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Make some noise for Jimmy Needham.